Welcome to Tomohon's Extreme Meat Market in Sulawesi, the giant python ready for sale. Join us on a scenic journey as we travel from Manado to Tomohon city. The road winds through lush landscapes, vibrant villages and bustling life, all captured on this hour-long drive to experience Sulawesi's wildest market you have ever seen.
Kita lagi di pasar Tomohon ini.
So this is market Tomohon.
Iya,
Pasar Extreme, right?
pasar ekstrim
So you get all
yang
the
ada di
extreme
Tomohon.
food, all the
Kita
extreme
mau
food.
cari di mana tempat-tempat yang katanya sih itu mereka jual daging-daging ekstrim.
All the kind of extreme meats.
Yes. Dry
Including
fish.
all-
Dry fish. Yes.
What is this called?
Corn. Leek. This is smoked fish. So,
Oh, beef.
yes. This is traditional market in Tomohon. Ini ada gula merah. Gula merah yang mana? Good. We call it gula merah. Yes.
Cucumber.
Yes. Smoked fish. This is a lot of kerupuk. See? You go there. Go.
You see the wind is not really.
Oh my god, it smells now. I can smell the dog meat. Jesus. Jesus Christ, ini. You speak.
As you can see, guys, this is crazy. Like the heads of the pork and the pork meat. So you can see. And we are going to buy some porks here. So this is a hogs basically, not really pork, hogs. And how they are buying.
Come see the snake over there.
So they are buying some hogs. And we're gonna try that. They say it's very delicious. What? Oh my god! Holy crap! Is that a snow? My goodness.
Bad. You go that side?
Ah, okay. So I'm doing a kind of a vlogging video. There are more snakes. Snake. Patola. Oh, there is more big there. Okay. So we'll take a look around. This is what dog that's for bed. Oh. This is pork. Oh, this is pork. This is what, bed. Oh, bed. Batman. And this is pork or beef? Pork. Ini apa? Pork, babi. All babi. Pork. Apa ini? Marinasi. Pork. Marinated, huh?
Yes.
And snake, only one. Snake. Patola. Wow, guys, this is crazy. Like, can you believe? This is hog. This is hog. Babi putar. Imagine the snake. I do not believe anything in the snake.